Did you know most people confuse business contracts with romantic love and never realize the difference? Transactional relationships operate like silent agreements, where both people perform specific roles to get what they want. She stays attractive and agreeable. He provides financial security and status. He achieves success and looks good on paper. She handles all the emotional labor and household management. These arrangements feel stable because they're predictable, but they're not actually healthy. The moment someone can't deliver their part of the deal, everything falls apart. Real love adapts when life changes, but transactional love has an expiration date. The warning signs are everywhere. You feel like you're constantly auditioning for affection. Your relationship satisfaction depends entirely on what you're getting, not who they actually are. You panic when you can't perform your assigned role perfectly. It feels like earning points in a game where the rules keep changing. Love shouldn't require performance reviews or payment plans to survive.